Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to take you through and show you how you can easily personalize your face masks using Cricut Design Space. The example I'm doing today is for a bride and a groom, but you could add any text you want and even images. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm in Design Space and the first thing I need to do is get a shape. So I come to Shapes and I choose a square. My shape is a rectangle, so I'm going to unlock the guides and then put in my measurements. So my width is 2.5 inches and my height is 2 inches. These measurements will change depending on how large your mask is. But for me, this is how much space I have to work with. So next I need to add the text. So I come to text and type in bride and also do one for groom. So next I'm going to change the font and I've chosen a font called Darlena. It's not a Cricut font, it is a font that I have purchased and I'll leave a link to that in the description if you're interested, or you could just use any font you like. But for today's tutorial I'm going to use this font because I quite like it and it's got some beautiful swashes. And I'm going to do the same thing for groom. Going to make these larger so we can see them a bit better, and I'm going to ungroup them so each character is separate. Now Cricut Design Space doesn't allow you to see special characters, so you need to outsource this and bring it into Cricut Design Space. I did a video about how you can do this previously and I'll link that in the description. I think it's called How to Manage Fonts, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to do it. So I use a program to manage my fonts called Font Cloud. It's free to use and it's part of Creative Fabrica and I absolutely love it. So the idea behind this program is it's online, so you can access it from any computer anywhere in the world, and you add all your fonts on this side here. If I get out of this screen, and you type in a word and it will show you every font that you have installed and what this word looks like. So I'm going to go to the font that I'm using and it's called Darlena. And once you've clicked into this font, you can see all the swashes and signatures that you don't get to see on Design Space. So it's a really good program and I use it every day. It's very, very helpful. So I'm going to switch my D around and I'm going to use this D. So I just need to click on it and up here you'll see character copied to clipboard. I'll go back to Design Space and I'll double click on this word and then Control V to paste, and there's my D. So you can do that for any character as long as there is a special character for it. So I know there is one for the M, so I'm going to go back to that website and I'm going to find the M. There it is. Click on it to copy, go back to Design Space and delete the M and Command V to paste. Now I haven't ungrouped the groom, so I'll just go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I'm happy with those characters and I'm not going to do any more changing, but now I'm going to group the letters together, make them look good. So just move your characters around until you're happy with the placement. They don't have to join because you are doing iron-on transfer, but sometimes it does look a little bit better if they are joining. A little bit more natural. Okay, so that one's done and I'm going to select everything and click on attach. So that will make it that I can't move it. I will go ahead and weld soon, but I just want to make some changes later if I have to. And I'll do the same thing to groom. Looks nice there. And same thing, select everything and click attach. Okay, so I have both the texts now, and I need to make sure that they fit inside this box. So I just bring the bride over and just resize. And I'll do the same thing to groom. Now, as you can see, groom looks a lot smaller than the bride. You can keep it like that, it doesn't really matter, but for continuity, I'm going to actually make it a very similar size. So there's the groom, and there's the bride. I'm going to delete this box because I don't need that anymore. And I'm going to come down and click on weld and weld. Now that's made 2 single words. Now I'm ready to cut out. I'm using 2 colors of glitter vinyl today, so I'm going to change the bride into another color so it cuts on a different mat. And then I click make it. And because I am using the Joy and using the Smart Iron-On, I'm going to select without mat. As I am using a iron-on vinyl, I do need to mirror my image. So you can do that by clicking this button here that says mirror, and do that for both of the designs. Now you're ready to continue. And in this screen here, you select your materials. And in this case, I'm using iron-on and it is glitter. And click done. And make sure the iron-on material is face shiny side down. We're going to leave our pressure as default, and we're going to follow the screen prompts to cut out our design. So I'm going to use the heat guide that Cricut have on their website, and it's pretty easy. You just answer some questions and it will tell you the right heat for your device. So I'm using the EasyPress Mini today, and my material is glitter, and my base material, so my masks, are 100% cotton. So I click apply, and these are the instructions that they recommend. So preheat for 5 seconds, medium heat for 25 seconds, constant movement, light pressure, flip and press for another 15 seconds, and then a warm peel. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's how you can personalize face masks with Cricut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big like if this has helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.